You can try. You can try it.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Very good. Even how many minutes already?
1 hour already. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How To. Today we're here at Aki's studio with Aki herself. We're gonna learn how to make 3D jelly cakes. It is so beautiful. Yeah, you can wow everyone with this cake, so it's a must to learn this. See, I made this cake myself today. No lah, okay, that's a joke. I didn't make it, right? So will we be making this in this episode, Aki?
This one is actually quite advanced. It's more difficult than simple one. So I thinking today I will guide you make a single flowers.
So Aki, at Aki Studio, she teaches people how to do the 3D jelly cake and a lot of other lessons as well, right? So do check it out and learn it yourself. So I'm so excited to learn today. And if you don't already know, Aki is from Vietnam herself. So we're gonna go straight right into making this 3D jelly cake.
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the first thing that we should do now?
Okay, so after we have the biscuit transparent already, and we use the milk to make a color.
And it's so interesting. The color actually looks so real. Look at that.
You can see this one is like yellow from jasmine flowers.
Jasmine.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
And this one only milk, white color.
Okay.
Yeah. And the pink color you can use from the red dragon fruit. This is powder. And this one is a blueberry flowers.
Oh.
So until now, totally 16 colors. Sound is a very good smell.
Yeah, I can actually smell it.
Yeah. Okay, so now we will make is one single flowers.
Okay.
You want and I want. I will
I'm
make
gonna put this aside.
first, later, and for you. The color beautiful and not bleeding. It's a very important. It's a tools. Yeah. All these two is like all different pattern. You can see this is one pattern. You can make only one flowers. Example today we will make a water lily flowers. Yeah, and some we have a lotus, rose. Until now, I have a totally about 95 different flowers.
Wow. Okay, so for those of you who want to impress your boyfriend, girlfriend, family members, then you learn to make this 3D jelly cake, then they confirm won't leave you ever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. True.
So the color after you cook already, it's a jelly, and you need to keep warm inside like steam. Somebody asked me when I keep like this one because I let them to eat steamboat. I said no. So we will use the injection. Okay, so now we come to the flowers. Okay, at the beginning we take the jelly color inside the injection, and we start to do. Inject slowly, one by one.
So, okay, so you know how we keep injecting inside the gelatin, right? Or the jelly? Wouldn't the base crack?
No, this one is very amazing. Because of why? This one we call it like for maybe forgiving. Because this one, when you do is not even mistake, you still cannot see so well. Yeah, and this one because of jelly. This one we make is inside a lot, but this one you just do some. Follow the photo. Let's do some.
This is the big petals.
Yeah. Normally one side we have about 3 sides, so we make a smaller side first.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Oh, I see you took this one in the middle. What is that?
This one is a hot water. Normally this one, if you keep too cold, the jelly cannot come out. So every time before you take a color, you have to make it hot. Okay, so now it's a make a pattern. One. Yeah. That's one by one. So it's this flower I will use about the few pattern. So this one is smaller one, and after that I change to big one.
Wow.
All the flower we have about three pattern. And every time you make, you can see is my name. Must see this way. This way is wrong, so you have to see this way. Okay.
So here.
Yeah. Here are my branded name. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this one is one flower. And so now we make a leaf. Normally this one you can use a simple way to make a leaf like this. You can use a needle. And you can decoration some is like that. Yeah. Okay. This one that's one big one like this. Baby press. So later we make one more layer, but now we turn for you to make first.
Okay, the moment of truth.
Yes. Okay.
Wow.
So,
Oh. Okay, you really have confidence that I can do it?
can. So now you just follow.
Okay.
Okay. I hope you remember.
So now it's my turn. Let's see if I can do a beautiful flower. Okay, so hot water first.
Yeah. You make this out.
Okay. So I go in the middle.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And then I pump, take out.
Yeah. So inside, like 90 degree inside the center.
Oh, okay, center. You think it's enough?
Okay, enough.
Okay.
So now you change the color.
Okay, change. So now, okay, the long flower. So this one I have to apart more, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a longer one. It's cover the yellow. Okay. So now
Hold.
you change to the method.
Enough?
Enough.
Okay, okay. So far, so good, I think. Okay, wash. Now we need to take the petal, is it?
Yes. Now the method.
Okay, petal, we need to
So
change.
Take out this one and you change this one.
Take out this one. Change. This one. This one.
Smaller one.
Smaller one. Oh. Then big one, this one.
Wow, good.
Oh, okay. Change to the big one.
Now we change another one.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So this one is the outer layer, right?
Yes.
So I have to go out even
Go
more.
out.
Okay.
All the flower is just go on top,
Okay.
layer by layer. Okay.
Okay, do you think enough?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
For green,
Okay. This one is to make which one? The leaf.
but the leaf is the one. Salary.
So the leaf is go straight first, then side, side,
side,
side,
side,
side.
side.
Okay,
Yeah.
diagonally lah.
Very intelligent.
Is it okay?
Okay, good.
Okay.
Now you make some the baby breast.
Ayo, I need baby breath some more.
One by one. Good. Okay. Really perfect, you know.
Wow.
I think he made before, no? I
Hey.
cannot believe it's the first time, huh? Do you think so?
I tell you a secret, no? I inject people before.
Okay, so
Okay,
now, then, 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Hey, quite nice actually.
Oh, yeah.
This one I do one, really, you know. Not fake one, I never cheat you.
It's live. You know, not cheating.
Yeah, okay, see, I show you.
Very good. Nobody knows is this one belong teacher, belong this
Hey,
one
please
belong
lah.
to student.
So,
Only I and you
got
know.
difference lah.
Okay, so now we're going to make a second layer. Because
Alright.
this layer is we call this the first layer is a transparent. We cannot keep anything, so sometimes only I can keep a scent taste like lemon or lemon. You know, so long it's a transparent, we can add on.
Okay.
So now the taste is come from second layer, more strong. Okay, for second layer we do the same. The first layer is a one bucket. You can use is a 1,800 ml water. You can use any one. Example, you can use coconut water. You can use a lychee water. So this one I use is a coffee. So I just add on the coffee, and you want to add on the lychee. Just add inside. Okay. You can use any fruit. Mango is very nice. And normally you can add on some the coconut cream, make it a more strong taste. Here, one already, and okay. So they will join up two layers together. Become as a one cake. Nice, strong taste for coffee.
And then also you add the base, then you make the color pop up even more, the flower.
Yeah. So this one take about 10 minutes more, pop it up, and you can turn again.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a complete cake.
Completed cake.
Yeah.
Alright. So check out Aki Studio, come over here, pick up a new skill. This is definitely one that will wow all your friends and your family. So come to Aki Studio and meet Aki herself.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye. See you.